From the studio of Nobody Asked For This, and the guy who is 69 refund dramas too late. This is the longest, most comprehensive Cyberpunk 2077 unboxing on the internet. So no matter if it's related or unrelated, for the final video of 2020, Mobhouse is gonna flex the YouTuber sponsorship and talk about our upcoming giveaway so you guys can join in on all the fun, the puns, the pantone, tons of pandai unboxing content.
This is Mobhouse Cyberpunk. Don't go anywhere.
I was actually just trolling you guys because this is going to be the shortest unboxing in the history of YouTube, because this is the Ryzen 9 5950X, and we'll see you in the next one. Just kidding lah, there's more. So keep watching lah, not like you got anything better to do also. And also there's a giveaway, so yeah. Huh? Another box? What is this? Sun Cycle? What could be inside this brown box leh? Inside you get cardboard and more cardboard lor, and a green motherboard because the mother green. Let me open up this ASRock X570 Taichi Razer edition. I write the name because Taichi is Chinese. My ancestors approve. This motherboard's chi is so strong that it has Razer chroma. Like Boba Suda Chuba, you won't want another. This motherboard is lit with RGBs, just won't quit. So please don't pick a motherboard that makes your motherboard. Your ASRock is the bedrock of a kingdom and you're the lord. Now we're just gonna celebrate my rhymes with some pew porn, popcorn, unicorn. Cause this motherboard is really something else. So sleek with all that black and gunmetal accents. Even has a fan, bro. Walao! Neat or not, oh? And then Razer edition really got my attention. Even its back is so pretty. And look at here, you got so many ports. All the ports and all the holes that you ever need. It smells lovely too. Wow, another brown box from Sun Cycle. They must really like me because I'm so bright and hot, like the sun. You can even use me as a human reflector during video shoot. That's why all the female influencers like to work with me. I help light up the room. What is this ZOTAC packaging? So shiny and holographic like Pokemon card, and they are yellow and peek at you from the box like Pikachu. The inside is black some more. Wow, what is this? What is this? Huh? Also so shiny, holographic, limited edition. Oh, what is this? Oh, paper is it? I got plenty lah. I don't need this, but I'm gonna be gentle because I like the box. This is what? Mustard and ketchup in a 3090 box? Wow, that's like selling Ferrari but give you KFC voucher. ZOTAC, like Max Tech, popping them net runners like Tic Tac. 3090, yo beat that 4K gaming gonna be easy like blackjack, except if you're Jackie Wells. Then you must be scared of motels. What? No spoiler what? Oh, if you know, you know. Just go crazy like Delamine. Ray tracing, you know what I mean. Stay tuned to the end of this video. We have a huge giveaway announcement. Cheerio! Wow, what is this? Looks like a shoebox. Adidas 4D, but not the haram type, don't Judy. These kicks, so chunky looking, really look like it was made in 2077. Some more black and yellow. Once you go black, it won't go back. Once you go yellow, you won't need another fellow. I'm not a hype beast, but I got the sickest rhymes in the east, cause I'm Chinese. You better cease and desist, I'm a disease you can't resist. Cyber psychosis, business is actually pretty good. They even give you free shoelace.
Shane, I got Cyberpunk unboxing. Why got monitor one?
You play Cyberpunk need to use monitor to see, right? You secretly looking to upgrade your monitor also, right? See? I got you, bro! Okay, this BenQ EW3280U monitor will be the one I'll play my Cyberpunk on. Why? Because I want to see in full 4K and HDR lah! And also I can't seem to get my 3090 to get it to more than 4K 60 frames, so let's just pakai what I consider to be one of the top 3 4K IPS monitors with HDR on the market right now. Somehow it comes with a controller, so if you decide to be a traitor and buy a PS5, you can still kick back and relax and play. Don't worry, why so kanchang? Relax lah. Relax, bro. So the monitor is actually very easy to use, but in case you don't know, Here is some paper to help you get more knowledge to install the monitor. You got a base that's sturdy, a pad to sit, you control the purdy. Line it up and stick it in tightly. Ride it tighty, slide it in the back real slow. Screw it right all night with the flow. Pick her up and go. Versace on the floor. Ooh, take it up for me, for me, for me, for me now, girl. I promised you a PC build, but I didn't tell you what kind. But see this long thing? No idea, right? In 1, 2, 69. For the power supply to help your RTX 3090 fly, we have the Thermaltake Tough Power Grand RGB 1050 watt and 80 plus platinum. I feel is the sweet spot for this build to fulfill the power requirement so you can chill and be thrilled to flex your gaming skills. Some more, it's fully modular so you can chuchok whichever slot you want. Next, for the YouTuber who likes it hard, TT's V-Tubular PETG rigid tubing might be hard when cold, but when things get hot, you can bend it like Beckham. Now I'm gonna make this box disappear in 3, 2, 1, turn me. See? Like magic. Mike. Firstly, we got a water block with so much RGB, it's gonna rock. To be specific, it's the Pacific W7. Crank my Ryzen to 11 to see you straight to heaven. Nickel plated bottom, Then we got a water RAM RGB, 64GB of liquid cooling memory, 3200 MHz, a little OC never heard. See, water block on a RAM, that's a first for me. In actuality, this is a guarantee. Actually a fact, essentially no bottleneck tragedy. Murder in the 3rd degree, light us up, baby, like a Christmas tree. And next we have the radiator, a copper gladiator, TT Pacific C360, peekaboo through the fins, oh so sexy, it's black, on track to keep your water cool. A lesson on his friends will finish and you back to school. Ooh, these fans so lit they join my squad, 120 mils of rainbow TT ring quad. Look ma, I got so many fans, I got Asians, Australians, and even all the way across the ocean, Americans! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now the next box is just a mystery. What is this thing? That's news to me. It is the Pacific TF temperature and flow indicator. In case she's hot and wet and you need a translator. Don't look down on this thing, okay? It's harder than you think. Wink, wink. And of course, we need our bling bling. These gold fittings make Asian parents sing, sing. You're Chinese, then you're gonna like this. If you're not, please don't fight this. Like candy, it's fancy. Ice, ice, baby. Who said PC Master Race can't lace it up like Jay-Z? And I'm talking about Jay-Z 2 cents. Okay, now I think I need a break. If you want to stand in for me, go for it. This PCIe 3.0 flexible extender can help your GPU stand straight to salute your mother board cause they are connected. Also, don't forget your liquids, glug glug. If your loop runs dry, then your pump will chug chug. This coolant will look so dope in this loop. It is so good for your soul, like hot chicken soup. Now that we have everything, liquid, block, radiator, tubes, fan, PSU, but where is the pump and reservoir? Like Rockstar but no guitar. We still got one more item. 雪花飘飘，北风萧萧。I told you Chinese, you don't believe? Eat your heart out, Uncle Roger. This is why Auntie Helen left you for me. But what we have here is a very modular and customizable distro case 350p that has a distro plate as the main chassis. With this casing, you can be a ripper dog and customize your PC's body with cyberware. Components to fit your needs. Just now I said don't have pump, right? Look down there. They even included a pre-installed D5 pump. Walao! With this chassis, your PC will be like my Bentley, so high CC and pretty and full of RGB. Of course, it comes with all the accessories in the box, but the main thing here is still the distro plate. No longer do you need to waste space to hold a cylinder reservoir. To mainstream! I'm probably gonna use pastel coolant so you cannot see my messy cable management. Also, it comes with a tempered glass panel, but I don't know why, since the sides are already all open what? Open all ni lah! Show off your PC parts to the whole world! You exhibitionist. Hey yo, samurai boy. Come. Wow, Kako got something for you. You like loot boxes, right? I gotcha! Like Pachinko got gamblers. Jig. So heavy, heavier than sentiment surrounding the game right now, especially from console people who definitely need consolation. But you gotta level up your reflex if you want to play with blades like me, or else you're gonna be stuck with gorilla arms, but definitely not gorilla mounts. Without further delays, let's open this up. Gotta flex that mandatory bangsawan face. Oh, something dropped out. Is that a bug? Oh no, it's just a game. I guess you caught me silver-handed. I couldn't get my hands on a PC version collector's edition, so I had to pull a heist to Evelyn get this delivered to me. Huge shout out to Impulse Gaming and Epic Soft. You really put the Johnny in my V, and I really relic our relationship. I'm sure you guys are familiar with the drama that surrounds the PS4 version of this game, but in all honesty, don't buy this on PS4, join the PC Master Race. Stay tuned for our most comprehensive PC guide on the internet for Cyberpunk 2077, which will drop next month when CD Projekt hits us with major patches. Wow! They actually included a handle cause they're worried you cannot handle this amount of Cyberpunk awesomeness. It was kinda tight. Then the white stuff came out. Is there anything else in the box? Eh? Why I can't see anything, what? Hello darkness, my old friend. Beep! This box is so yellow and edgy. Kinda like a pineapple. So wrong, you can't go wrong. So many signatures. More signatures than I got in my graduation yearbook. Cause I wasn't that popular in high school. But it's okay, I got you guys now. And you guys are stuck with me. Next, we have this box of stickers in case you are sticky, but the artwork is so colorful and exciting, much like your date life before coronavirus, that is. Then we have a box of badges for you to express your inner punk, you cyber hunk. After that, you'll get a keychain for your car, or you could be a total troll and use it for your bike. Whatever floats your boat, hun. Now this is the hardcover art book. Look, I'm not even surprised it took them so long to cook this in the oven. So much thought was put into the world building. What is this? An evidence bag? The only crime I committed is not buying two of these so I can unbox it twice. A guide to Night City. It's a pity this city is an itty bitty too greedy for me, but damn graffiti are pretty, the jokes are witty, and makes me giddy just to unbox this CE. The next item is a steel book, which most of you young people probably have zero idea what it is. But soon your kids will ask you, what is that shiny round rainbow flat thing? Don't laugh, you're gonna be a boomer one day too. And finally, we have to open this white thing, because what we have inside here is the collector's edition figurine, which my girlfriend calls the hoarder's edition figure thing. And first you got first base, then you gotta take her for a ride with this Yaiba Kusanagi CT3X. Even Takemura also wanna take a closer look, and it's totally giving me Akira vibes. And if you haven't watched Akira, you're a noob, so please go watch and unnoob yourself. Lastly, we have the male V figurine who seems to have figured out how to ride a bike properly. Look ma, no hands! Also, we have the PS4 version of the game itself, which nobody cares. So here's some awesome B-rolls of the figurine itself, huh? You're welcome. Now that we have the PC, game, and even shoe to walk around Night City, it's only logical that we have Logitech. Let's cut to the chase, but the editor naughty and decides to cut to the box. You're here for the giveaway details, right? Not so fast, cause I'm a 60-minute man. Firstly, we have a mouse that costs as much as the house and a pair of headsets that will help you hear me more carefully in case I decide to drop them giveaway instructions. Okay, so basically we decided to do this giveaway because I know a lot of you guys have had a very bad year in 2020, and we at Mod House are very lucky and grateful that we managed to keep our lights on thanks to all your continuous support. So we're gonna do a big giveaway to kick things off in 2021. And all the items are brand new and not shown in this video, and we already have the gaming mouse, keyboard, headset, and even a mouse pad, but we're hitting up more brands who want to join in on the fun. So please leave a comment down below to let us know what else do you guys want for the giveaway and why, and we'll try our best to make it happen within reason, huh? Okay, so moving on. Firstly, we have the G903 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse. It is my favorite wireless mouse of 2020, and I'm not a big fan of super light mice because why spend so much money to be just grabbing air? Very nice, man, having so many holes in your mouse. The only mouse that has so many holes is a dead one. G903 I decree is a bangsawan's cup of tea, wire-free technology, light speed, low latency. No matter if you want to play stealthy or paint the town red, no mouse is greater at putting through a head. They even give you more weight in case you don't want to skip finger day for finger play. Also, don't lose this dongle or else you'll be tongled. tangled with the cable forever. Now we have the G733 Lightspeed Wireless RGB gaming headset to help you keep playing with yourself. I mean, this game single player ma. Also, is it just me or are you guys disappointed that you can't play in third person in Cyberpunk? All that legendary gear and I'm still staring at just the tip of my katana all day. In all seriousness, I want to test out Exploring Night City with headphones as well as speakers, and since I haven't tested these out, I requested for them. And in our Ultimate Cyberpunk 2077 PC gaming guide, I will also give you some thoughts about the audio from these bad boys, but first impressions are, they are built quite solid. They have rectangular cups which I prefer because they fit my ears better. Also on one side you get the volume dial, some buttons and the charging port, and the pads feel very soft and breathable, and the band looks like 50 Shades of Cyberpunk. Who said only girls can wear pink? If you like RGB, I'm your man. Wink. Finally, it is time for the G560 speakers. Welcome to LightSync Gaming Speakers. LightSync 떡볶이 비빔밥 김치찌개. 欢迎使用 LightSync 游戏音箱 Play Advanced. How advanced? Wow! Inside the first brown box, you will get all the different black power cables in case you international. Some more got USB cable and these sub-speaker cables. Hey, y'all don't xiao go plug into the VGA port of your monitors, please. Don't xia sui me, huh? Hiya! Now let's set these two sets aside first. Left one in, right one out. This should be a subwoofer 2.1 system. Should help us hear all the club music in Cyberpunk better. Seems like Night City's got a lot of douche going on. Much more happening than my nightlife. Happy wife? Sad nightlife lor. Wow, these speakers don't look like your usual Logitech speakers. Wow, the sound makes you want to fool around, go to town and kill a few tiger clowns. The sub is memang quite big, but my house is 25,000 square feet, so no problem. And the boom boom is downwards firing so that your girlfriend will know that you prefer playing Cyberpunk than hanging out with her, even with all the bugs. And behind you have the only holes that you're gonna get to connect your speakers. Okay lah, that's all from Logitech. That's all folks, this is the longest Cyberpunk 2077 unboxing video on the internet. We put in a lot of effort to make sure that you get entertained one last time before the end of this horrible 2020 so that we can help you get a last laugh. Next month we're going to release the most comprehensive Cyberpunk 2077 PC gaming guide, so stay tuned. Hopefully the first of the major updates from CD Projekt is going to make a big enough of a difference so people with less powerful PCs can also see the beauty of Night City the way I do. If you thought this video is awesome, don't forget to like and share and leave a comment down below to let us know what you think about Cyberpunk. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell and follow us on Facebook and Instagram to hang out with the Mob House crew. And I will see you in the next one.